Let's be honest, you've probably been lied to about what it takes to be financially free. The FIRE movement, the 4% rule, well, this idea that a million or two is your golden ticket. It's not that it's wrong, it's just outdated. It's playbook for a world that doesn't exist anymore, and following it today is a recipe for a retirement filled with anxiety, not independence. For years, the promise was simple: save like a maniac, live on next to nothing, and you can escape the rat race with a decent nest egg. But I'm here to tell you the math has changed, and by the end of this video, you'll see why aiming for less might be selling your future short. Let's start with the holy grail of retirement planning, the 4% rule. You've all heard of it. It came from a financial planner named Bill Banging in the mid-90s. The idea was pretty simple. He looked at the historical data going back to the Great Depression and found that you could withdraw 4% of your portfolio in your first year of retirement, adjust for inflation after that, and have a really good chance of your money lasting 30 years. For decades, it was the bedrock of financial advice. But here's the thing, that bedrock is starting to show some serious cracks. The world it was built for is long gone. First, that 30-year retirement window is looking a little tight, isn't it? We are all living longer. The Congressional Budget Office projects that by 2056, the average life expectancy for a 65-year-old will be nearly 22 years longer. And if you fire in your 40s and 50s, a 30-year plan isn't just going to cut it. Even the big research firms are sounding the alarm. Morningstar runs forward-looking simulations every year, and for 2026, their recommendation for a safe withdrawal rate isn't 4%, it's 3.9%. Now, that might seem like a tiny drop, but on a $2 million portfolio, that's the difference between an $80,000 and a $78,000 income. And remember that 3.9% still comes with a 10% chance of failure. Are you really willing to bet your future on a 1 in 10 roll of the dice? The old model is struggling because its assumptions, shorter life, stable costs, and a different economic climate, well, are out of date. Clinging to it is like using a flip phone map to navigate a modern city. You're going to get lost. So, what does this look like in the real world? Let's talk about it for a moment and take Tim and Claire as an example. They did everything their old playbook told them to. They saved diligently and retired at 62 with $2 million nest egg. They were proud. They were followers of the FIRE movement who felt like they had finally made it. They applied the 4% rule, giving them an $80,000 annual income. It felt pretty good at first, but then reality started to creep in. A couple of years of higher than expected inflation meant their withdrawals were eating into their principal faster than planned. Then Tim needed a hip replacement. Insurance covered a lot, of course, but their out-of-pocket cost still hit $15,000. That was an unplanned hit. The next year, the roof gave out another $25,000 they hadn't planned for. Suddenly, their safe $80,000 felt suffocating. The dream of traveling for Europe turned into road trips. Going out to dinner became a debate. Every time the market dipped, a wave of panic washed over them. This isn't freedom, it's a prison of financial anxiety. They technically retired, but they never found financial peace. They're constantly doing mental math, terrified they will outlive their money. They traded their 9 to 5 for a 24/7 job of worrying. This is the quiet disaster, expecting millions who are following an outdated map, a retirement focused on survival, not sovereignty. And this is exactly why I believe we need to change the target. It's time to introduce a new benchmark, one that isn't about scraping by, but about genuine, unshakable freedom. In my opinion, that number is $5 million. Now, before you say that's impossible, just hear me out. This isn't about luxury yachts. It's about building a financial fortress that can handle the realities of the 21st century and deliver what you're actually after: sovereignty, the power to live life on your own terms. Let's break down how $5 million creates this life for you. I like to use a bucket system, and the first bucket is a core living expenses, $2.5 million. We are putting half of the total towards your essential and comfortable living. Using a conservative 4% withdrawal rate on this bucket alone generates $100,000 a year. This is your baseline. It covers the house, the bills, the food, and the regular fund. This single bucket requires a bigger portfolio than what many people aim for in total. The second bucket, the healthcare fortress, $1 million. Here we carve out a dedicated bucket just for healthcare. This isn't a tiny emergency fund, this is a war chest. This $1 million is there to handle insurance premiums, surprise out-of-pocket costs, and the very real possibility of needing long-term care. This is your peace of mind. It ensures a health crisis never becomes a financial crisis. Bucket number 3, the sovereignty fund, $1.5 million. This is the game changer. This is what separates a life of survival from a life of freedom. This income from this fund isn't for bills, it's for your purpose. I call it your creative permission slip. It's the money to finally start that business, write that book, travel the world without a rigid budget, or invest in a cause you're passionate about. It's the freedom to say yes without flinching. This is the ultimate buffer against uncertainty and the ultimate fuel for your soul. Add it all up and you have $5 million structure built for resilience, longevity, and a life lived on your terms. I know 5 million can sound like a mountain, but the point isn't to discourage you, it's to get you to aim at the right target, one that reflects what real, sustainable freedom actually costs today. If this is making sense to you, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're all about challenging all money myths and building real wealth on this channel. So how on earth do you get to a number like $5 million? Let me be clear, you don't get there by pinching pennies. The old FIRE model of extreme frugality just won't scale to this level. The key isn't to save money, it's to earn and grow more exponentially. First, you need to be an aggressive, long-term investor with a truly diversified portfolio. And guess what? Even Bill Banging, the father of the 4% rule, agrees. In his updated research, he found that by diversifying into more asset classes like small cap and international stocks, the historical safe withdrawal rate actually goes up to 4.7%. Second, build scalable income streams. Your 9-to-5 salary, no matter how high, probably won't get you alone. This means starting a side business, investing in cash flowing real estate, or creating digital products. You need income that isn't tied to the hours you work. That's how you create leverage. And third, this demands a mindset shift from survival to sovereignty. This means managing your spendings, yes, but also learning to take calculated risks. Building wealth of this magnitude requires stepping out of your comfort zone, whether that means launching a new venture or making a bold investment. You have to act in spite of your fear. Now, take a moment and really imagine what this level of freedom feels like. It's not just about quitting your job, it's about taking off the paycheck mask. That version of you that has to perform and please others because you depend on them for your livelihood. True sovereignty is the freedom to be unapologetically you. It's waking up on a Tuesday and deciding to fly to Paris on a whim. It's having a brilliant business idea and being able to fund it yourself. No begging for investors required. It's a parent having a health crisis and you being able to say, I've got this, without worrying about the cost. It's the profound peace that comes from knowing you and your family are insulated from life's worst case scenarios. It's a life where your time, your energy, and your creativity are 100% yours. And that is the life a $5 million nest egg can buy. It's a life not just free from work, but free to create, to give, and to be. The financial advice of the past was built for a different era. The 4% rule and the dream of a quiet $1 million retirement, while well-intentioned, can be a recipe for anxiety today. They promise freedom but often deliver a lifetime of worry. True financial freedom, a life of sovereignty, peace, and creative expression, demands a bigger target. $5 million isn't an arbitrary number, it's a new framework, a plan for a modern world built to withstand rising costs and long lives, and designed to fund a life that goes far beyond just surviving. So I'm curious, what's your number? Drop your financial freedom target in the comments down below and let's talk. Tell me one thing you would do if money were no object. And if you're ready to stop playing small and start building real wealth, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're just getting started, and I'll see you in this video right here.